everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make a beautiful crescent roll ring. These are super easy to make and so delicious, and the one I made today is a turkey and cranberry crescent roll ring. Alright, we're going to make this turkey and cranberry ring, and I've got my stone pizza pan here. I've had this thing for a very long time, as you can see. It's very well seasoned, but what you will need is 2 cans of crescent rolls. This is super easy to make. All right, and this is also very pretty when it's finished. And there's so many things that you can put inside of this, guys. Really, it is up to you. Use your favorite ingredients. You're going to unroll them. All right, then you're going to place them on the outer edge of your pan, and you are going to want to overlap, and the point to your crescent roll is going to hang off to the side. All right, then you're going to want to kind of press the center down, because this is where you're going to put all those ingredients. All right, so I have some Swiss cheese here, and I'm going to just kind of break it in half and place it on the bottom. But you can use whatever cheese you want. I just have this in my fridge, and I wanted to use it up. And the thing that's really nice about this is you can use up your leftovers, whether it's leftover turkey or ham. You could even add leftover stuffing if you want. All right, so I'm just using some thick sliced deli turkey. Just gonna kind of fold it. Place it right on top of that cheese. So next I'm going to add some homemade cranberry sauce. Now I have a video on my channel for a 3-ingredient cranberry sauce. So that's what I'm gonna place on here, but this is optional. You could add dried cranberries if you like. I'm going to use some thick cut mild white cheddar. You could use regular shredded cheddar cheese. You could use mozzarella cheese, but I'm gonna pile this on top. All right, I'm going to add another layer of turkey right on top of my cheese. And just a little bit more of this cranberry sauce and a little bit more cheese. All right, and then you just take those corners and fold them over. And I'm kind of making sure I'm kind of tucking them in. All right, then I'm gonna whisk 1 egg, and I'm gonna brush that egg right over top of the crescent roll. All right, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of poppy seed right over top. And then bake in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until it's all golden brown. All right, so now I'm going to cut into this. Oh yeah. Well, that is all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my delicious recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.